Hi, and welcome to Cupcake Genius. My name is Vanilla Vanilla. I've been baking for over 20 years now, and I decided to come up with this class so that I could actually teach, the real science of baking. I run an online store in Lagos, Nigeria, where my team and I create amazing, beautiful and delicious cakes every day. In this course, you'll be learning how to bake properly the Vanilla Vanilla Cupcakes, the Red Velvet Cupcake, and our award-winning Chocolate Cupcake. These recipes are drama-free, and it will be teaching you the basics that you need to know for successful baking right in your home or even in your store. One thing I'm also excited about is the amazing frostings we'll be putting you through in this class. We'll be teaching you our no-fail squeeze meringue and squeeze meringue buttercream. So whether you're baking for your friends, family, or even your clients, this is the class you want to take. Welcome to the Cupcake Genius class.